No, actually, tomorrow it is going to be a cold start to the day. We do have some school delays already at the bottom of your screen. We'll be watching for that tomorrow morning as well. Here's your current temperatures and wind chills. I'm not going to show the emojis again, but man, that is how we feel. Pure anguish at this point. 1 below and over, but at least the wind chill is not that far off of that brutally cold temperature. Look at Elyria, though. Air temperature is 0, wind chill 16 below. As of right now, we do not have any wind chill advisories active in northern Ohio, and there really isn't a whole lot else going on except for the cold. We have a few flurries that have been passing through, but for the most part, it's just been partly cloudy skies across much of the area. We go down to the deep south. You talk about anguish. They have freezing rain being reported at the hour in New Orleans. They are getting a wintry mix. Look at Brownsville, Texas, way down here. They've got freezing rain and sleet happening down that way, and all of this continues to march eastward. So widespread school closings for the day tomorrow in the deep south, whereas on the east coast, they're still dealing with the anticipation of snow coming in the North Carolina mountains, and as you move up toward New York State and then eventually into New England as well. This is the same storm system that came through here, brought us a light coating of snow, and then ushered in that colder air, and that colder air has been triggering lake effect off of the northern lakes. We're still getting a little bit of that residual moisture coming in. We all around the region are dealing with these brutally cold temperatures. 1 above in Minneapolis, 15 in Chicago, but remember the wind is coming off the lake, so it's helping to boost their temperature a little bit. 7 in Indianapolis, 10 in St. Louis, but it all changes as we start to go through the day tomorrow. Slowly but surely, we're going to push this cold air to the northeast, and that will usher in a warming trend for us. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. We'll be in the single digits through the early morning hours, and that's how we'll start the day tomorrow as well. Note that the wind chill's still anywhere from 0 to 10 below across northern Ohio, so it will feel colder than it actually is. But by this point, we're either frozen or we're just going to deal with it, so there it is. We'll have wind chills right around the 0 mark then by about 10 a.m., and we'll see the mercury climbing to the 20s, I think, for the afternoon tomorrow. It's going to feel pretty good by comparison, and the wind chills will be in the single digits above 0. So there's that. By the time we get into the evening, then it's more of the same, but temperatures are going to start to overnight even begin creeping up, and that is because just this general warming trend that we have coming our way. Universal Windows direct forecast shows you those PM sun peaks coming in, but it definitely will be chilly. We'll have a few flurries possible in the morning, those wind chills to 10 below, but air temperatures in the single digits. We'll be in the 20s for the afternoon with sun peaks breaking out, partly cloudy then in the evening. Temperatures holding in the teens, and that will give us a really good skip into the day on Thursday. Mostly sunny skies will be up around 30, upper 30s Friday, mid 40s Saturday. How about some 50s coming in on Sunday? It's definitely going in a good direction for us, Russ and Sarah.
Wow, it's like April.
Yep.
Kind of, sort of. Thanks, Betsy.